Hello, friends. Here's a preview of one of my favorite dishes that I learned how to make a long time ago. It's my mom's recipe. This is an eggplant and beef dish. If you're vegetarian, you can omit the beef part of it, but we've got delicious, yummy, perfectly cooked eggplants, sirloin, steak, little cut into thin pieces. We have some potatoes. We got a tomato sauce going here with garlic and onion and a lot of flavors. This is just a preview. This is going to be a video I'll be making as to how to make this dish. If you like to learn how to do this, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so when I post this recipe, you will be notified. I want you to join the Wildhaven Acre family. I got lots of good videos coming on, but this is awesome. Oh, by the way, this is served on Basmati rice. You can find on my channel, Dino Valbone, a recipe to make that rice, and this can go right over it, okay? So next time you go to the supermarket, you see that perfect, nice eggplant that calls your name and says, "Get me," and you look at it and you say, "Well, I don't know what to do with you." Get it and watch this video and make this delicious soup. We have basmati rice. This is how this is best served.
I'll save some for you.
Okay. And then we got the stew.
Yummy eggplants.
Oh, those are like butter. They
Wow.
fall apart.
I love eggplant.
It's got eggplants, potatoes, onions, garlic, sirloin steak. Like I said, if you're vegetarian, you can leave the steak out. Tomato paste, salt, pepper, and some herbs, and that's basically.
Hold on, I want some more sauce.
Oh yeah. There you go.
You know I like it with a lot of sauce.
That looks. Actually, I like my rice a little bit drier, but this is her plate, so why don't we have you test it?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I know.
Hot.
I can tell you weren't lying, but
Oh my god. It's so good. The meat is so tender. It's like I don't even have to chew it. It's just falling apart.
this comes from somebody who doesn't eat meat much. Anyways.
It's hot, but it's so good. I want to eat it.
All right. Well, there's the proof.